In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brainstorm ideas with Grok. Creative Workflow 2026. First, open your browser and head over to grok.com. That's the home base for everything we're about to do. If you want your work to be saved automatically, take a moment to sign into your account. It's quick, and while it isn't strictly required, being logged in helps you keep track of your sessions and pick up where you left off on any device. If you'd rather just try it out first, you can continue without logging in and come back to that later. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Grok AI workspace. The layout is simple and designed to keep you focused on creating. Front and center is the main canvas where responses will appear, and at the bottom of the screen is the chat bar, where you'll type what you want Grok to help with. Think of this like a conversation. The more clearly you describe what you need, the better the results you'll get. Now it's time to start brainstorming. Click into the chat bar and ask Grok to generate brainstorming ideas. A clear way to phrase this might be, create brainstorming ideas for your topic or project. You can set the tone and scope by adding helpful context, such as your audience, the goal, the format, and any constraints you care about. For example, you might say you want 10 concise ideas tailored to beginners, or bold, unconventional options for a campaign. The point is to give Grok enough direction so the first pass gets close to what you have in mind. After you hit enter, Grok will generate a set of ideas you can review right away. If the first draft isn't quite there yet, keep going. Ask again for more detailed information, and be explicit about what to change. You could request deeper explanations, step-by-step angles for each idea, variations by theme or audience, or criteria like impact, effort, and timeline. You can also ask Grok to expand on a single promising idea, merge a couple of them into one stronger concept, or provide examples and potential headlines. This back and forth is normal and powerful. Each follow-up helps Grok refine the output until it fits your creative direction. That's all you need to get from a blank page to a strong list of options. Visit grok.com, optionally sign in to save your progress, spot the chat bar, ask Grok to generate brainstorming ideas, and iterate by asking for more detailed information. With a few clear prompts, you'll have a focused, creative shortlist you can act on right away.